everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a ribbon pour. This pour is a very simple technique to do, so if you're a complete beginner to acrylic pouring, this is a technique that you can definitely do. It's very simple and you get really very pretty designs and colors in your paintings just using this technique. Before we start, I just want to show you the dried result of the funnel pour we did in the last video. It's now dry. It is beautiful. So this painting is going to be photographed and put in my Etsy shop today. The details to my shop will be down in the description below. So let's get started and let's create a beautiful painting on this grey, miserable Saturday morning. Come along and join me and let's have fun. Come, let's go. Right, everyone, I am back. The canvas is prepped. I have put my push pins in and taped up the back. And I have layered 3 cups, just layered paint into 3 cups. Now, I say again, I do not tell you in my videos what colors I use or what paints I use, because I don't know what paints you have. You've got to just use whatever colors you have, or if you want a specific color scheme, you do the pour in whatever colors you want. So I am going to start with this, and can you see? Yeah. Okay, we are going to start. And all we're doing is just pouring ribbons. Oh, those aren't ribbons, those are just lines. Never mind. Okay, well, there are some pretty colors in there. Let me just bring you down quickly so you can see that. Really cool colors in there. Now, let me just bring you up. Okay, now, oh my goodness, I don't want to be funny, but I forgot to bring a hair tie for my hair. And well, as you know, I've got long hair, so I definitely don't want that landing in my paint. So I've I've taken one of my gloves and I'm trying to just, I don't know, just tie my hair back with this glove. Oh, it's not working though. It just came out, so just trying to put it back in. Ow, ow. Okay, alright, let's hope that holds. Okay, so we're going to tilt. I'm going to bring it down. across and over, back to the middle, bring it down that way and over, and now we're going to go down. Now when you tilt your paint, it stretches the pattern, so not only are you covering the canvas, which is what you need to do, but you are also stretching the pattern. I hope you can see it, sorry. Okay, the canvas is covered. So now you can tilt it. Well, that's very unusual, I like that. That's very pretty. Okay, I'm going to tilt it back this way, just a little, because I want those lines to be more in the middle. A little bit too much, I think. Okay, wow, some really bright colors in here. This is very pretty. Wow. Oh, I do like this. Right, let me take these gloves off quick. Remember, when you're taking your gloves off, don't take them off over your painting, because you'll drip onto the painting, and you don't want drips on, because you'll see it. It'll be obvious because you've got some beautiful lines, and then you'll just have a blob in the middle of it. So always be careful with your gloves. Your gloves are full of paint, and you don't want that to fall on the painting. So I am now, oh my goodness, there's a squirrel. I think it's a squirrel. He's disappeared now into the grass. Oh, there he runs off over there. Okay, no idea what it is, but I saw something. I'm going to hit this with a heat gun quickly, just to pop some air bubbles. Okay, well, that is very, very pretty. I actually really like this. I love these lines in the middle section that are very narrow, sort of straight or curvy lines, but then here's more of a mess on both sides, which is, I actually like it. It breaks these lines, you know, it breaks the pattern. Wow. And it is so bright. So, okay, just make sure all your sides are properly covered. You can just pick paint up off the table and just dab it on. And because it is still wet, it'll run down. Oh, you see my hair. Okay, it looks fine. It all looks covered. It's fun. Okay. Well, there we go. I'm going to bring you down and give you a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. Very, very pretty. And look at the colors. Very pretty designs. Look at the very, very, very cool. And you watch me do it. There's no special thing you're doing. All you're doing is you pouring the paint out in ribbons. Nothing else. There's nothing mixed into these paints. There's no silicone in them. Look at that. It's just your acrylic paint mixed with pouring medium and mixed with water until you get to the right consistency, and that is it. And look what you can create. Very, very easy technique. Anybody can do this. You can even do it with your kids or grandkids. Very cool. So yeah, thank you for joining me on this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do post 2 videos every weekend, one Saturday, one Sunday, and sometimes I do a painting on a Wednesday too. If I really feel like it, why not? So join me tomorrow, which is Sunday, and we'll do another painting then. All right, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.